Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on the Google Play Store in Black Shark 5. So let's start with opening Google Play Store. Next is to search for Call of Duty. But as you can see, there is no real game. So now go back, click on your profile icon, move to the settings, reveal the family, then parental controls, and right here there's two ways we can fix this. First is to go for parental controls are on, disable it by typing in your PIN right here, or go for apps and games, enter your PIN code, click on OK, and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save that setting, and afterwards, if we search for Call of Duty again, the game should be right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.